clouds roll.
What's up, guys? This is Bizzle and I'm back with another video. It is an unboxing video, and so this was sent to me by Just Clutch, and I wasn't expecting a really big box, but he hooked me up. It's called HelloFresh. It's like meals that come pre-packaged, and all you gotta do is like heat them up, I think. So it's like a TV dinner but better. And of course you can see my collection over there. But so this is the box. It's a decent sized box. It's got some weight to it. And I'm gonna open it up on video. Alright, now let's see here. What shall this be? It looks like meals. Okay, so one is basmati fig chicken, and it looks like that. And then the other one is firecracker meatballs, and it looks like that. And I got a welcome thing and a special deals in an envelope, and a bunch of claim your free box codes. I will look at all that later. All right. Oh, cool. It comes in like a cool little seal container. So this is the chicken. And this is the meatballs. And it comes with, so this, okay, it makes sense. They had to keep it cold. Pretty cool. Are these reusable? Like big ice packs. Cut the corner, empty contents into trash recycle. Oh, this one came open. What's in here? Oh, weird. It's weird. I don't recommend touching whatever I just touched. Okay. Product is non-toxic, not for human consumption. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, so the ice packs are not reusable. So yeah, so the meat comes in a cooler thing, and this is all the ingredients, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try one of these things. Not right now, because I'm not hungry, but down the, like, maybe tomorrow. It's pretty cool. Not a whole lot of fat on there. And then this is pretty good meat too. Cool. Alright, well, I want to give a big shout out to Just Clutch, and I'll put his stuff in the description. Huge thank you to him. I'm always about eating healthy and stuff like that. So it's a cool thing to try. And who knows, if I like it, maybe I'll have to buy some more. But other than that, there's not much to talk about. I just saw a big package next to my door and I figured, oh, unboxing video. On a side note, we're gonna start packing again, and we're actually moving. We got a house, so we're gonna be moving into a house here soon, and then more video ideas start happening because you're not under somebody else's property that you can't do much to, and I'll have a bigger setup too. So stay tuned for that. That's probably gonna happen in the next probably a week, and I get my zero turn back. That just got done with repairs. I finally get it back after 3 weeks of waiting. But yeah, and if you want to try some glitch, or you want to get to my level of glitch addiction, go down to Glitch's website and use code BIZZO for 25% off. And if you use my code, let me know, and I might hook you up with something. Who knows? Let me know. Alright, I'm going to end this video, and it was great talking to all of you again, and I'll see you in the next video.